Hello friends, welcome to day 3 in Andaman. This vlog is going to be a very special one. Hope you will enjoy it. And please don't forget to subscribe to Perkypinkwanders. While returning from Radhanagar beach, we stopped at Scuba Andaman to book our adventurous sports, scuba diving. Charge for scuba diving is 3,500 rupees each person, and if you want to have GoPro video, charge is 500 rupees extra for each person. You have to put signature on some documents declaring you don't have certain physical issues. We paid 1,000 rupees as advance and rest 6,500 rupees was paid next morning before the dive. Then we went to visit local vegetable market in Swarajdeep. It was a small market and we found that prices of the vegetables are little bit on higher side compared to the mainland. If you're looking for something at less price, you can go for bananas. Bananas are really cheap in Andaman. We had 16 bananas at just 50 rupees.
কি কলা এগুলো? হ্যাঁ? আঠালি কলা। সময় কলা, হ্যাঁ। এখানে আঠালি কলা বলে।
Our day 3 in Andaman started with sunrise view in Kala Patthar, and to witness this we woke up really early and it was just amazing.
Beautiful morning in Kalapathar. You can see at my back there are many people to witness the sunrise. Also, I can see some coral pieces. What is this? No, it's very small. You can't eat it. Little bit. Yeah, big one you eat. No. No, it's very small. Both of these are small.
Big.
Where? Here, one.
Two.
Yes. Chuno, that's a good boy. Very good. Last night we came here to book for scuba diving. Today I'm going to do scuba diving. Yay!
দেখেছে বাবা এটা কেমন আছে
It was my first ever scuba diving experience, and at first I thought I will be able to do it without any issue, and let me tell you guys, it wasn't that easy. I had terrible ear pain. I couldn't breathe with the oxygen cylinder. At one point, I thought of giving up. I came back to the ship and my diver told, "Do you want to continue or you want to go back?" I thought I should give myself another chance. So I tried once again. After I came back, it was Shivan's father's turn and he was ready with his suit. Shivam wanted to go for diving too, but we had to tell him that we were getting kind of punishment underwater. But I don't think he believed a word. Shivam and I had plenty of time while Shivam's father was enjoying scuba diving. Shivam was collecting some seaweeds and he called them duga.
Shivam, what duga? This one.
Yes, this one duga. Duga.
Shivam, do you want to be punished?
No.
You want to be punished? Why? I got punishment. Your father is getting punishment now. When you will be more than 12 years old, you will be punished. Huh? Why? No, I will bring you here. You will be punished.
I just thought.
Problem of taking up, taking down. Now there is one more sign, this one is equalize. Now what is equalize? When you go underwater, water will exert pressure on your eardrum. Now whenever there is pressure in your ears, you have to press your nose and equalize. So how to do it? Press your nose, pinch your nose, hold. Now while holding it,
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है वो क्रैब्स
What is this? What is this? Any idea? You don't have any idea? I also don't have any idea. We'll have to learn a lot. No. Don't disturb.